Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine. So today I will explain the addition and subtraction of decimals. Suppose we have to add these decimals. So first we from the given question it is clear that the decimals are not like. So first we convert all the decimals into like decimal. So the highest decimal place is 3 decimal place. So we convert each of the decimals into up to 3 decimal place. So 26.9 can be written as 26.900 and 19.74 can be written as 19.740. 231.769 Next we write all the decimal one under other in column form. That is first we is equal to. So first we write the first decimal number to 26.90 and next we write the second decimal number below the first decimal number and keeping the decimal point on same column. So 0.1970. Next 0.769132 and last one 0.048. Next we add as we do in case of whole number. होल नंबर में हम जैसे ऐड किए हैं वैसे ही ऐड करेंगे. 8 9 17 7 carry 1 1 4 5 5 6 11 11 4 15 5 carry 1 7 1 8 8 7 15 15 9 24 4 carry 2 0.2 1 3 3 9 12 12 6 18 8 carry 1 3 1 4 4 1 5 5 2 7 and 2 and next put the decimal point in the result in decimal column, that is 1. So the result will be 278.457. Now we explain how we subtract decimals. So first we convert all the decimal numbers into like decimal. So the highest decimal places is 3. So we convert each of two given decimal into 3 decimal places. So 15.079 and 24.160. So both are like decimal. Next, we subtract the smaller decimal from the larger decimal. So first we write the large decimal number, that is 24.160, and next we write the small decimal number below the large decimal number, 15.079, and next we give a minus symbol. Now we subtract as we do in case of whole number. So 1 will be, so 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So 5 carry 1, 15. 15 minus 7, 8. So 0 minus 0, 0. And 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. And next we put the decimal point below the decimal column. So the result will be 9.081. Now we solve the question which is given in exercise 3. Question number 17. Take out 5.746 from 9.1. That means we have to subtract 5.746 from 9.1. So in this case, the result will be 9.1 minus 5.746. So first we convert each of the given decimal into like decimal. That is 9.100 minus 5.746. So then you can subtract these two decimals. After subtracting these two decimals, then you get the required result. Question number 18. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? So how much should be added with 63.58 so that the result will be 92? Suppose the required number be x. So hence x is equal to 92 minus 63.58. So after subtracting 63.58 from 92, you get the required answer. Question number 19. What is to be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? So which number should be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.813? Suppose the number is x. So next we find the value of x. So 8.1 minus 0.813 is equal to x. So the value of x will be, so the value of x can be obtained by subtracting 0.813 from 8.1. So how we subtract? So first we write each of the decimal number into like decimal. So 8.100 minus 0.813 x is equal to x. So according to the rules of subtraction, first we write the large number, that is 8.100. Next we write the smaller number below the large number, and so 0.813. So 10, 9, 0. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7, 9 minus 1, 8, and 8, 1, 0, 10, 7. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 7. Put the decimal point in decimal column. So the result will be 7.287. So 7.287 should be subtracted from 8.1 to get 0.83. 7.287 to get 0.81. By how much should 32.67 be increased to get 60.1? So in this question, we have to increase 32.67 to 60.1. So what number should be added? Suppose the required number be x. So if we increase 32.67 by x, we get 60.1. So x is equal to 60.1 minus 32.67. So if you subtract 32.67 from 60.1, then you get the required answer. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? That means we have to subtract 7.3 by a number to get 26.87. So what is the number? So let the required number be x. So 74.3 decreased by x to get 26.87. So 74.3 minus 26.87 is equal to x. So to get the required number, we have to subtract 26.87 from 74.3. So according to the rules of subtraction, first we convert each of the decimal into like decimal, that is 74.30 and 26.87, because the highest decimal places is 2 decimal places. So we convert each of the decimal up to 2 decimal places. So next we write the large decimal, that is 74.20, and next we write the small decimal number below the large decimal, 26.87, and next we put minus symbol. Now we subtract as we do in case of whole number. So 10 to 36. So 10 minus 7, 3, 12 minus 8, 4, 30 minus 6, 7, and 6 minus 2, 4. So the answer will be x equal to 47.43. So the required number will be 47.43. So students, thank you very much for watching my video, and I have a request to all of you. If you are not subscribed my channel, please